Hi guys, yes, man, welcome back, welcome back to where we gonna get your group home business started, and we gonna get it started right here, yes. Okay, guys, yes, let's get your group home business started. We are providing all the tools that you need to be successful in transitional housing, housing youth, sobriety homes, personal care homes, and development disabled homes as well. Man, let's get you all the tools and paperwork that you will need to be successful within our live training courses. So I'm so excited to see you guys in training. Want you to get the opportunity to provide this type of housing to all types of individuals that's in need. So what I want you guys to do is just check out a couple clippings of some of the ladies who I have housed in one of my favorite senior homes. And this is like this all the time, guys. You are going to be able to give this same joy to individuals in need. I can't wait.
So it's like, hey, I would always recommend this place. And the thing about it is, I'll be like this when I have to leave there. You come.
You're so welcome. You're so welcome, Miss Jackie, and I'm so lovely. I'm happy you gave me a call back. You moved in.
Oh my God, so glad I kept your number from the
Awesome. Well, you know I love it.
Anyone I know here or talking, I will direct.
Awesome.